Hello everyone, welcome to Akshara IT Foundation. This is Synop, your maths faculty. Let us go to the today's class. Today we are going to discuss about linear equation in two variables. In the previous class we already discussed about the general form of linear equation in one variable as well as general form of linear equation in two variables. Okay, and that too, the linear equation when you represent in a graph sheet, it will give a straight line. Alright, we already discussed about it. And if you try to draw a pair of straight lines on a plane surface, the situations also we have discussed. What are the situations? The two straight lines can be intersect at a point. The two straight lines can be intersect at a point, or that means having a common point. Two straight lines having a common point like this. This is one of the situation, or else they never have a common point. That means they must be a parallel lines. And the third situation is they have to coincide each other. So these three only the situations when you take two straight lines in a plane surface. Okay, right. And here let us discuss about the simultaneous linear equations. That means when you're taking any two equations having a same variables together, such type of equation is called simultaneous linear equations. Okay, na? Simultaneous linear equations in two variables. That means, so we are discussing about the simultaneous linear equations. That means a pair of equations having a same variables together called simultaneous linear equations. Okay? So for example, if you take any two pair of equations, they are in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0. So actually, I have given you the general form of linear equation in two variables, that is nothing but ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. But why I am taking here a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0? Because here I am taking two linear equations. Okay, na? Second equation I am taking a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. While you are observing these two equations, x and y are the same variables, both of them, but the coefficients can be changes. Here x coefficient is a1, y coefficient is b1, constant term is c1. Here x coefficient a2, y coefficient b2, constant term c2. Okay, na? These are the linear equations. And here let us discuss the situation what is happening here. That means to identify the two linear equations in a plane surface, how they can behave. That means they will be intersect lines or parallel lines or coincidence lines. To identify that, there are three conditions we have. The condition is the first one, a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2 is not equals to c1 by c2. That means this situation is happen when the two lines are intersect. When the two lines are intersect, their coefficients ratio is not equal, not same. Okay, na? Now coming to the parallel lines. For this parallel lines, how the parallel lines will be? For example, let me take a real life example, like with the numbers I will take. For example, 3x plus 4y plus 5 equals to 0 is one equation, and 2x minus 4y plus 7 equals to 0. Okay? While you are observing, see, x variable, y variable and constant term, I am just applying the ratio here. First 3 by 2. X coefficient is 3 in the first equation, second one is 2. Same way, 4 by minus 4. 4 by minus 4 means nothing but minus 1. 3 by 2 minus 1 both are same? No. That means in this situation, the variables can be different. That means the coefficient of the variables can be different. But they should not, they should follow the condition, that is a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2 not equals to c1 by c2. Okay, na? This type of equation represents this type of condition represents the intersecting lines. Now what about the parallel lines? For parallel lines, there is a condition that is they both ratios must be equal. Okay, na? That means A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2. But here constant should not be equal. If the constants are also being equal, then they both will be coincide each other. Okay, right. So here the situation is A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 not equals to C1 by C2. This is the condition for parallel lines. And case 3, coincide lines. Coincide lines means the both lines are together being one on another. That is A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is equals to C1 by C2. Okay, na? When the pair of equations following these conditions, we can say how they are being on a plane surface. Okay, right. And but sometimes here given the two pair of linear equations will be given. The pair of linear equations, for example, these two equations are given and asked to find the unknown values, nothing but x and y values. Okay, to find the values of x and y in the pair of equations, in the pair of linear equations, we are having some methods like elimination method and substitution method. What are the methods we have? Elimination method and substitution. Okay, so which one you feel easy that you can follow it. Okay, so before that, let me take some examples. That means let us go to the exercise problems. While doing the problem, I am just explain about that elimination method and substitution method. Okay, right. Now let us see practice sheet problems. That is the concept based questions. The first question is given: the system of two linear equations in two variable taken together. System of linear equations in two variables taken together is called dash. Taken together with the same variable is nothing but system of linear simultaneous linear equations. Okay, that is nothing but option 1. Option 1 is our correct answer. Now coming to the second question, let us say the second question, concept based questions. Yeah, concept based questions. Second one, the two linear equations are given, that is x plus y equals to 3. First equation, x plus y equals to 3, and the second equation 4x minus 3y equals to 26. 4x minus 3y equals to 26. Okay, there are two equations are given, so we need to find out the x value. Okay, now we need to find out the x value. Okay, we can use linear equation in two variables by elimination method. I am just trying to find out the value of x by elimination method. So the given equations I am just taking as first one as equation and the second one is 2. First one and second one. Equation 1 and equation 2. Okay. To identify any unknown value by using elimination method, first point is we need to choose any one of the variable to find. Which variable? We need to find the value of x. That means we have tried to check the y variable must be same. Okay, na? Y variable coefficients must be same. Here x coefficient is 1, y coefficient also 1. Okay, that means here x coefficient is 4, y coefficient is minus 3. So we need to make the equation 1 to get the coefficient 4 for x or coefficient for 3 as a y. I need to find x value. That's why I am just trying to equate y coefficients. I am trying to equate the y coefficients. That means for this I am just doing equation 1. I am just trying to multiply with 3. Equation 1 I am just trying to multiply with 3. What is equation 1? X plus y is equal to 3. Multiply entire equation with 3. 3 into x is 3x. 3 into y is 3y. And 3 into 3, 9. plus equation 2. Second equation I am writing as is 4x minus 3y equals to 26. Try to add both of them. Then plus 3y minus 3y will be eliminated. Okay na? So we try to eliminate the one of the variable, then we will get the second variable value. How we are eliminating? To make their coefficients equal. By making their coefficients are equal. Okay? Now plus 3y minus 3y, when you add, they will be 0, and 3x plus 4x will be 7x. That is equals to 9 plus 26 is 35. Now 7 is multiplied, when you transpose it is going to divide. So x is equals to 35 by 7, 7 table 35 5 times. Therefore x value is 5. Yeah, let us go to the third problem. Yeah. So this is also try to solve by using the elimination method. Let us get confidence on this method, then we will go to the substitution method. Okay. Now let us see the equations of third problem is 2x plus y minus 7 equals to 0. 2x plus y minus 7 equal to 0. This we can write as 2x plus y equals to 7. Okay. So left side both of them having a variable, so right side constant. Now let us go to the second equation. The second equation is given that x plus 3y equals to 11. X plus 3y equals to 11, equation number 2. By solving this equation, which value we should find? We have to find the value of y. We have to find the value of y. Okay. Now check the y values, y coefficients. Equation 1 having a coefficient, y coefficient is, to find the y value, we need to eliminate the variable x. We need to eliminate the variable x. Okay, na? To eliminate x values or x variable, we should make the coefficients of x must be equal. Coefficients of x to be equal. Okay. Now first equation, x coefficient is 2. Second equation, x coefficient is 1. Now I am just multiplying equation 2 with 2. Okay na? Just multiplying the equation 2 by 2. That means the entire equation x plus 3y equals to 2 into 11. That means both sides, equation to both sides, and just multiply with 2. Then it will be 2 into x is 2x plus 2 into 3 6y. That is equals to 22. This is the second equation. Now equation 1 I am just writing here 2x plus y equals to 7. Try to subtract both of them, because if you add both of them, 2x plus 2x becomes 4x. X is not eliminated, then we cannot find the value of y. Okay na? Now just try to subtract. Subtract means the second equation, whatever you have here, you are having the equation here below that, will change all its signs. Signs means positives becomes negatives, negatives becomes positive. Now plus 2x becomes minus, plus y becomes minus y, plus 7 becomes minus 7. Now plus 2x minus 2x becomes 0, 6y minus y is 5y. That is equals to 22 minus 7 is 15. So y equals to 15 by 5. 5 table 15 3 times. Therefore y value is 3. Okay now? Let us solve question number 4. Right, the fourth question, the two linear equations are given, x plus y is equals to 3, x plus y equals to 3, and the second equation 4x minus 3y equals to 26. 4x minus 3y equals to 26. Equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, so here we need to find the value of y. While you are observing these two equations, the same equations are given in problem number 2. Okay na? Check, same equations are given. But in the problem number 2, we just found the value of x. Here we have to find the value of y. To find y value, what we have to eliminate? X value should be eliminated. How we should eliminate? to make their coefficients are equal. Just identify the coefficient. Equation 1, x coefficient is 1, but it should be 4. So I have to multiply the entire equation number 1 with 4. Okay, na? Equation number 1 multiply with 4. Both sides we need to multiply with 4. Left hand side is x plus y. 4 into right hand side is 3. Now multiply here. 4 into x is 4x plus 4 into y is 4y and 4 3s are 12. Okay. Now second equation, 4x minus 3y equals to 26. Now to eliminate x value, just any one of the arithmetical operation we need to use, plus, minus, into, divide. But when you plus both of them, 4x plus 4x becomes 8x. So to eliminate x value, use the symbol minus. So positives becomes negatives, negatives becomes positive. Okay, so plus 4x minus 4x cancel, 4y plus 3y, because this minus 3y becomes plus. So 7y, 12 minus 26. 12 minus 26 is not possible. 26 minus 12 is 14, and bigger number having a symbol negative, so negative 14. Now y is equals to minus 14 by 7. 7 table 14 2 times, so y value minus 2. Okay, na? So till then, second, third, fourth problem. These three problems we discussed by using elimination method. So let us try to find the value of variable in question number 5 by using substitution method. Okay. Now let us find values from the given equations. The question number 5 is given that 2x plus y minus 7 equals to 0. 2x plus y minus 7 equal to 0. This we can write as 2x plus y is equals to 7, equation number 1. Now the second equation is x plus 3y is equals to 11, then the value of x. X plus 3y equals to 11, equation number 2, we need to find the value of x. Yeah. Now we are in substitution method, right? Let me write substitution method. How we are finding substitution method means choose any one of the equation. But actually what value we should find? We should find the value of y or x. Yeah, y value. Okay. We need to find the value of y. Right. So choose any one of the equation. I am choosing the first equation. So that is 2x plus y is equals to 7. Which value we should find? Y value. So y only try to transpose that side. That means plus y transpose that side becomes minus y. Here 7 minus y. Okay, now from this equation only. Now x equals to 7 minus y by 2. This x value substitute in equation 2, because we have taken x value from equation 1. This is first equation now, from equation 1. X value I have taken. This x value try to substitute in equation 2. What is equation 2? X plus 3y equals to 11. Wherever you see x, you have to substitute 7 minus y by 2. So in the place of x we can write 7 minus y by 2 plus 3y equals to 11. Now here 2 like mixed fraction, 2 into 3 6y whole divided by 2 is equals to 11. 6y minus y, 6y minus y is 5y, so plus 5y, the divided by 2 transpose, that is going to multiply, 2 11s are 22. That implies we need to find y value. 5y is equals to 22 plus 7 transpose, that side becomes minus 7. 22 minus 7 is 15. Then y value is 15 by 5, nothing but 3. Finished. Okay, now to find the y value, we should make any one of the entire equation in the terms of y. In the terms of y means we should convert first x. We should find x value from any one of the equations by transposing everything to right side. Okay, now please check. Let us go with problem number 6. Okay. The problem number 6 is given that, 8 by x minus 5 by y. 8 by x minus 5 by y. Okay, now variables are in denominator here. Equals to 34. It is equals to 34. And the second one is 3 by x. 3 by x minus 2 by y equals to 13. Okay, now? Then find the value of y. So by solving these variables or solving these equations, we need to find the value of y. But here until then we are having the variables in numerator position only, but here in fifth problem it is in denominator. So that's why I am just writing the equation 1 as 8 by x. I can write 8 into 1 by x. 8 into 1 by x is 8 by x minus 5 by y. I can write 5 into 1 by y, that is equals to 34. Equation number 1. A second equation also. 3 by x I can write 3 into 1 by x minus 2 by y I can write 2 into 1 by y equals to 13. Equation 2. These are the given equations. I have written like that. But I don't want 1 by x and 1 by y value. Now, let 1 by x is taken as m, 1 by y is taken as n. Let me take 1 by x value is m, 1 by y value is n. Now from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and equation 2, the new equations. In the place of 1 by x we can write m. So 8m minus 5n equals to 34. Equation number 3. Now same way, equation 2 we should multiply with, okay. So in the place of 1 by x you have to write m and n. So from equation 2 I can write 3m minus 2n equals to 13. Equation 4. Now again substitution method I am telling you, whether the equations are big or not doesn't matter. Substitution. Okay, now I am taking the first equation. I will take any one of the value and that I have to substitute in the another equation. So now I am taking from equation 3, that equation 3 8m minus 5n equals to 34. Minus 5n transpose it becomes plus 5n. So 34 plus 5n, then m is equals to 34 plus 5n divided by m. Okay, na? That means whenever you see m value, you have to substitute in equation 4. Okay, na? Because I have taken from equation 3, now I have to substitute in equation 4. Whenever you see m value, you should substitute that. Okay, what is the equation here? Equation 4 is 3m minus 2n. 3 into m. 3 into m. What is m value here? 34 plus 5n plus 8. 3m minus 2n. Minus 2n equals to 13. There is no cancellation in 3 and 8, so we need to multiply. 3 into 34, 3 30 is 90, 3 4 is 12, 102, plus 3 5 are 15n, divided by 8 minus 2n equals to 13. Okay, na? Now it is looking like a mixed fraction with whole number. So 102 plus 15n minus 8 into 2, 16, 16n by 8 equals to 13. Okay, na? That equals to 102. 15n minus 16n is not possible, but 16n minus 15n possible one time. So here bigger one symbol minus 1n. Nothing but minus n. And denominator 8 is transpose and multiply, it will be 104. Now minus n equals to transpose plus 102 that side, that is 104 minus 102. So minus n is equals to 2, but we want n value is minus 2. Okay, na? Then how to get m value? To get m value, substitute here. In the place of m, you can substitute. That means m equals to 34 plus 5n. 5n means 5 into minus 2 by 8. So that equals to 34 minus 5 2s are 10 by 8. 34 minus 10 is nothing but 24. 24 by 8, 8 table 24 3 times. Okay, na? Therefore, m value is 3. But the problem is not yet n. We should get 1 by x, x and y values. But we know already m is nothing but 1 by x. That means 1 by x is equals to m. So 1 by x is equals to m. M means 3. M means 3. So these two interchange like this. 1 by 3 is equals to x. So we got x value 1 by 3. What about y value? We know 1 by y is equals to n. 1 by y is equals to n value. How much we got? Minus 2. Now these two interchange. 1 by minus 2 equals to y. So these are the two important methods of finding unknown value. Check.